So I'm sure many of you had problems recently installing the latest update from the Windows Update screen, which makes me want to hate this fucking shit. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it, and first I'm gonna show you all where it is. I already installed where is it, the update. So you go to, it's the I believe it's the KB 5050 so that's the latest like update from now. I believe this is the so if I go to Google here and type KB 50099 and it goes to the January 14th update. So if you're having problems downloading updates via the this update screen right here, I have a solution which works for me at least. And you go to the interwebs and type in Windows 11 ISO, and you go to this link and you select the ISO and you hit download, and then you choose your language. I chose English US, and then you download the 64-bit version, and then you should be an ISO file which looks like this, and then you hit the install button, and it's gonna say it's gonna look for updates, which is actually gonna do. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna turn on that. So now it's gonna download the KB 50094 update, which is actually gonna take a while. So I'll be right back. So once you have successfully installed your ISO and stuff like that, it's gonna go through some couple of updates, and you have to rewrite your PIN and stuff like that, and that's gonna probably take a while. So you're gonna hit restart. So I'll do that. So once you're back in your start screen, and you can type in settings again, and you go to updates, and you go to update history. So there you can see the installation has successfully been done from the internet. If you can't install from the official Windows updates for some weird reason, I don't know what happened. So I was so paranoid So I just didn't do anything right. In my case, I believe Microsoft has fucked up everything. So you can't really download the updates as you should be doing. So yeah. So that's how you install the latest update on Windows 11. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.